Chapter 6, Waves. Now, this chapter's going to be weird, so brace yourselves for weirdness and mind explosions. Waves and the transfer of energy and how everything seems to work. And right now, we're going to need Claude the cat, Claude the cat, Claude the cat. Now, waves are an interesting thing. In fact, they're the reasons why the world seems to go ahead and round and round and round. In fact, it's one of the universe's most efficient transferring methods. And you use them, this is what us earthquakes actually move out when you have seismic cosmic waves. And then when you have those seismic cosmic waves, basically having to see things what happened before. Tremors, will you? In fact, it's like, here's a little diagram about it. Amplitude is how long the top of the wave to the middle of the wave or the bottom of the wave to the middle of the wave is. Frequency is the distance between two waves. The crest is basically just the curvy part, and the trough is the under curvy part. And waves can kill. In fact, they're one of the greatest killers of all time. And the wavelength actually determines what it is. Now, light, obviously, is a wave, some people say, but it's also a particle, because if it isn't a particle, then solar panels wouldn't work. And it's also how light seems to go ahead to us. Light works in different colors just because of the different frequencies it works. And that's why the rainbow exists, because the water separates lights into different waves of frequencies. And that basically turns it into a prism. And then because of the prism, it goes ahead. It's not prison, it's a prism. It goes ahead and separates all the different types of light. In fact, it's called the electromagnetic spectrum of light. Radio waves, microwaves, gamma rays, radioactive waves, X-rays, all those kinds of rays, visible light rays, all of those exist on the electromagnetic spectrum. And all of that is useful, especially when it comes to treatments. All right, fine, you can go in like 2 minutes. And finally, I have to talk about the last version of the waves, the kinds we can see. Visible light. Visible light has different frequencies. In fact, red has the longest frequency, and violet has the shortest frequency. Or you could call it purple too if you want to. And that's pretty much how the world seems to work out. Light itself may be a wave, but technically everything is a wave. Particles are made of waves. Ow! Don't you do that, Claude, again. Don't scratch my foot. And I've just told you light is a wave. It's also a particle. And then the next thing is every particle is probably made of a wave. And that's where string theory comes in. And I don't want to get into this mess. So until next time, my fellow physicists. See you in electromagnetism. Dun dun dun. Oh yeah, and just saying, you know quantum mechanics. You don't know quantum mechanics doesn't mean you know quantum mechanics. Feynman might have said, if you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't. So if you think you don't understand quantum mechanics, that doesn't mean you know quantum mechanics. Bye.